Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the access panel on this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a 5/16" nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two screws, securing the lower access panel and toe panel to the frame. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the panels aside. To install the new access panel, first align the toe panel and insulation. Then position the new access panel and thread the two screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.